In this tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can add your property's additional features. These will be used when you start uploading to all of your portals. First of all, click on the Properties option located on the left of the screen. Once you can see your properties, you can then go to your filtered list and select your listings. When you have your listings selected, select the property that you want to add additional features for. Now that the listing is open, you can go into the Information section, where we can then go to the Features option. You can see here for this particular listing that we have multiple features selected. Each area will have its own heading with the options that you can select. When you select an option, it will be added to the list as an extra feature. So for this particular property now, we can see that we have our environmental, heating and cooling, inside the home, outside the home, all selected, and once finished, you can then hit the Update Features option. Now that your features have been saved, these will all be uploaded through to your portals when you start to upload your listings.